Hi, it's Matthew from Carpet Cleaning 360. Monday morning. That's how we start the week off today. With another home that's got a few issues in the carpet. So today we will be using Omegazyme to bring these carpets back to life. We're doing the living room, dining room. Some stairs. Always not too bad here. In one of the bedrooms. Lots of goodies everywhere. So we will do our pre-vacuum, pre-spray the Omegazyme, let it dwell for 20. Oh, goodies everywhere. Okay. And one last room up here. And there we go. Alright. Back in a minute. Alright, so we're back. I'm done all my pre-vacuuming upstairs, and I've also just finished pre-spraying upstairs with, today I'm going to use Omegazyme from Bonnet Pro Canada. And actually, John was just awarded the seal of approval from CRI, the Carpet Rug Institute, for Omegazyme being the first asthmatic encapsulation detergent. Good work, John. So I've pre-sprayed upstairs. I'm just going to let the area dwell for about 20 minutes, bring in some more equipment, and we'll get back to you shortly. Okay, so we're back. I've just finished doing the upstairs here with the Revive end cap pad, and extracted this room with the Ironman Pro Cotton bonnets from Bonnet Pro Canada. If you're running a rotary, I strongly recommend you try out these Revive end cap pads. They do a wonderful job. So this was a brand new one that I started upstairs with, and you can see what's coming out on both sides here. That's what it should look like, brand new. And there's the other side. That's just from doing the upstairs here. And one room with the Ironman bonnets. And you can see what I pulled out just from one room. So anyways, I'll show a picture of when I'm done. Thanks. Okay, so we're back. We're all done the upstairs here. You can see I've just had to switch out to another bonnet, another Revive end cap pad. I'm going to cut this video a little bit short because I'm starting to get a little backed up on time. These Revive end cap pads work so well that it just keeps pulling up little dust bunnies even after I've done my pre-vac, etc., etc. So there's your final results from upstairs here. Third pad toasted on both sides. Anyways, I'll show you the final results of the living room, dining room when I'm done. Okay, so we've just finished doing the living room, dining room. Again, I had to, after my pre-vac and clean, had to re-vacuum again, just because the Revive end cap pads do such a wonderful job at pulling up the dust bunnies that just keep coming and coming. So they look fabulous. And of course, as they continue to dry, they'll continue to lighten in color. Kind of like the gift that keeps giving after we've gone. And here's what the stairs look like now. Much better than before when I came in. And just a quick peek at what I vacuumed out. Look at this. Yeah, nasties. Anyhow, that's it for today. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.